Guys, today we're gonna learn how to boil rice. And you're probably like, huh, what kind of weirdo chick doesn't know how to boil rice? Well, the thing is, I do. And maybe you don't, okay? See, like the great thing is, if you don't know how to boil rice and you're like Googling this or you're reading the box, that's perfect. That means you're gonna do it right. Because guess what? There are so many people out there that are doing it completely wrong, okay? They probably maybe read the box of instructions like 20, 30 years ago, and they probably forgot a few steps on the way. So yeah, they're doing it wrong. I know at least 2 people that do it wrong, okay? And how many people do you talk about boiling rice with? So yeah, see, the thing is, it's more than just boiling water and then putting rice in for like 8 minutes and then ta-da, done. No, see, with this one at least, it's a Dutch kind in the Netherlands. You need to put a lid on it, and you need to leave, like after you drain all the water, you also need to like keep the lid on for another 15 minutes. See, guys, that's the thing. You need to keep the lid on and then let it sit for another 15 minutes. Otherwise, you're doing it wrong, and it might just be like drier or something. I don't really know why, because I haven't done it wrong. So like, yeah, if your rice is gross, maybe that's the reason why. You don't let it sit and rest for another 15 minutes. I mean, you're supposed to like rest your like chicken and stuff after you cook it. I mean, why not your rice? So yeah, first you need to measure. I already calibrated it, so all I need to do is pour it in. I think I'm gonna go for about 50 grams today, okay? Whoopsie, it was a little bit more, but you know, who cares? So, here we go. See, now I'm gonna read the instructions because so many of y'all don't know how to read instructions, so I'm gonna do it. So, what we need to do is cook the rice without washing it in a pan with lots of boiling water. Now we're gonna put it in. Okay. This is kind of weird rice. Half of it floats. It's like different kinds of rice. And I don't know what else is in there, but that's not important. So we mix it. And we set a timer. Hey Siri! Set a timer for 8 minutes.
Your timer is set for 8 minutes.
Okay, perfect. And guys, remember, it's not always 8 minutes. It really depends on what rice you have. So, and remember guys, we need to put the lid on it. Okay, and now you just need to trust that it goes fine, okay? Okay, that took a while. So now we're gonna drain the water out. Shut up, Siri. So yeah, I just drained the water. I didn't film that because it's boiling water and I don't have 3 hands. So yeah, sorry. Not sorry. What I do then is I take a little peek. And don't worry, it's not gonna bite you. I know I said to leave it on, like, you know, but I need to take a peek to see if it drained properly. Yeah, by the looks of it, oh my gosh, oh no, holy hickory. Yeah, so that's getting a little bit fogged up, but don't worry, that's fine. Lenses can deal with lots of things. So yeah, it looked fine. Now I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes while I cook the rest. Because on the box it said to wait for 15 minutes, I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes before I eat it. It might take a little bit longer because I still need to pretty much cook the rest of the food, but you know, that's life. If it's not yummy, I'm sorry. I'm not perfect. I don't know everything. Don't subscribe if you don't like it. But if you just like laughing at me or just having a good time or watching me cook and maybe fail at it, then subscribe, and I'll see you again on Cooking with Iris.